a bit like an Indian wedding. to
Yeah,
come
like
up
you
with.
just keep going round and round. You have to be here to know. Always fighting with somebody.
If you had to explain F1 to your India parents using the Desi references, how would you do it?
I think I'd tell my dad that it's a bit like an Indian wedding where you have to go around the fire, but instead of 7 times, you have to go around the fire like 50 times, and someone wins and someone loses. It's not like a marriage. So yeah, I think that's the best I could maybe
Yeah,
come
like
up
you
with.
just keep going round and round.
How does it feel to be here?
Feels amazing. It's our first Grand Prix. We've seen it on TV. We've seen it on Drive to Survive. But to actually be here, this is where a lot of scenes from Drive to Survive are also shot. So it's really, really crazy for us. It's crazy. It's special.
It's not exciting, it's beyond exciting.
Yeah.
I think it's something that I can't put into words. Like, you have to be here to know. You see the pit stops and how fast it actually is and how much it matters to the team that, you know, each individual in the team performs and the synchronization between everyone. It's insane.
If F1 teams were Indian city, who is Delhi?
Delhi.
I think Delhi is Red Bull.
Red Bull, definitely.
Because how aggressive Max is, maybe there's a lot of
similarities
lot of
with,
aggressive
like,
people in
yeah,
Delhi.
just like
so.
direct out there, unapologetic, and just like themselves, always fighting with somebody.
Yeah, so I think Delhi is
Yeah.
Red Bull. Yeah.
Okay, and who is Mumbai?
Mumbai, I think Mercedes or Ferrari.
Ferrari, I think Ferrari, because they have that class, the legacy behind it, and
The
that
cool vibe.
Yeah, that like chill, cool guy vibe.
Which city could be Mercedes?
Mercedes could be maybe Bangalore.
Oh yeah, I
Yeah.
can see that. I can see that.
Yeah, really cool, chill vibe, but
Yeah,
also
but still like really hot and happening and upcoming and so
yeah.
many changes happening. So like everybody has eyes on it. Like the next
Yeah.
big, I mean, it's already a big thing, but like the next big driver may be coming out of Mercedes as well. So